Hello people, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you guys how I made this wonderful, delicious, sweet, appetizing chin chin. Just stay tuned. Please watch to the end if you really want to learn how to do it. So to make the chin chin, all you need is 600 grams of flour, 150 grams of butter, 150 grams of sugar, 1 egg, milk. I use 2 sachets. This is a milk flavor. That's it here. This is nutmeg, half teaspoon. That's what I use to measure it. Salt, Quter, then Quter baking powder, a cup of water, 250 ml. That's all you need to make the chin chin. So this is 1 portion of chin chin. That's 600 grams. Makes 1 portion. So if you want to do 2 portions, you have to times all these things times 2 to make 2 portions. But I made 1 portion. That's 600 grams. And finally, oil. So to get started, you have to sieve the flour to remove all the dirt and particles in it. After sieving, you add these ones. This is milk, nutmeg, salt, and baking powder. Mix them together. You start mixing with the ones that are dry. Then you add sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients together first. I have added the milk, baking powder, sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon, and butter. I've added them to the flour. Egg. If you don't like egg, you can still make your chin chin and enjoy it without eggs. Egg is just to make it softer. So finally add your water. If you are using liquid milk, you don't need to put water. So I added water because I use sachets of milk. That's powdered milk. So we are done with the mixing. You can see the texture. So when you put it, you wait a little before you start cutting. So as you are cutting it, you'll be sprinkling flour so that they will not stick together. When your oil is hot, you start putting the flour mixture. At this point now, you have to reduce the heat of your gas or stove. You can see the color is brown. You start removing it. As you can see, making chinchin is very easy. Just get the right measurement of all you need. It will come out very nice. So you try it at home and you will enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. God bless you all. Bye.